Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set night mode on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and find the developer option. And the developer option is off. And okay guys, to show or on the developer option, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Okay. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. To show or turn on the developer option, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now, you are a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and find the night mode. And okay guys, to set the night mode, you'll have to do is tap this and the pop-up are show, and okay, you can see here the option. You can set the night mode into automatic based on time of day. So you can select this, or you can select the always on or always off. So I decide to change into automatic based on time of day. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the night mode on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.